So this was the quiz question you had for Monday. And I thought it might be helpful to go through it to kind of explain it. So what we're doing is we're trying to name this structure, and you have to find the longest chain. So if we count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 5 there. If I count a different way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it looks like 7 is my longest chain. And so I'm going to write that part down. They're all single bonds of a hydrocarbon, so it's going to be heptane. And then it might be helpful when you're doing something like this, when you're doing naming, to circle, what you're considering as your main chain. And then you might be able to see the functional groups or groups that are coming off the main chain. And so I have one carbon coming off here and one carbon coming off here. When you have one carbon group coming off, these are methyl groups, and there's 2 of them, so we know that it's going to be dimethyl. So I'm going to add that to the name. And then I need to add the number of what carbon they are attached to. So if I count, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I count the other direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so whichever direction we have, they're the same number. So remember, you're always wanting the smallest numbers, but in this case, since they're the same, it doesn't matter. So it's going to be 3,5 dimethyl heptane. Remember, there's no space, and so let's write it correctly. 3,5 dimethyl heptane.